Hello everyone, my name is Khushru Padiyar from Techno India NGR, Udaipur. We are doing our summer internship at Leading India AI in Beneath University. Our project title is Reboot Box Plot for Education. My team members are Sandeep, Gopi Chand and Chandu. My mentor is Dr. Inderjeet Gupta sir. School budgets are very huge and complex process. It requires a lot of time to do the task. School budget consists of various features like teacher compensation, equipments, book, etc. ERS, that is Education Resource Strategies, is a non-profit organization which help in this only. It helps school to be more effective and more strategic towards their budget.
Hi friends, I am Sandeep from Siddhartha Engineering College, Vijayawada. Coming to our project, our dataset contains two parts, training and test. Training data contains 400,278 rows and 23 columns. And again our columns are divided into 14 features and 9 predefined labels. There are 104 labels among 14 features assigned into predefined categories. To fit this data into machine learning algorithm, we have to clean the data. So we have to eliminate the null values in our data set and to replace these null values with NaN values. And most of our data contains string values. So we used one-hot encoder and hashing vectorizer to convert the strings into numeric data. Now we have to fit this data to some machine learning model, and my friend Chandu will continue about the models. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sai Purni Chandu, currently pursuing my third year BTech in Computer Science at RVR NJC College of Engineering. According to the given problem, we need to classify the labels based on the free-form text features. So our problem comes under the category of classification. More specifically, it is a multi-class, multi-label classification problem. We can use the algorithms like of machine learning like neural networks, random forest classifier, and decision tree algorithms and SVM. But we found out that random forest suits the given data set. Why random forest? Its training data, it takes less amount of time on training data, and its accuracy is high. It doesn't contain overfitting and so on. How does a random forest works? Random forest contains a number of decision trees, and based on the majority of the results of the decision tree, object is decided. And our problem contains 9 different categories of labels. So we iterated our model on the 9 different categories and found out the probability of each of the label. We got an accuracy of around 95% with random forest, and we applied our model on neural networks, KNN, decision tree, etc. And my friend Gopi Chand will continue the remaining.
Hello everyone, I am Gopi Chand. I am pursuing third year BTech in Aditya Engineering College. Coming to the results and accuracy, we applied it on random forest model and we got the accuracy of 95% in training data. Along with that we applied it on 3 more models. They are neural networks, decision tree and KNN model, and we got the accuracy of 88%, 91% and 92% respectively. Our output format contains the 50064 rows and 104 columns, where each value represents the probability of the given label. For the budget line item, we added column names for the output and converting to CSV format. We submitted it on the driven data competition, and our best submission got the log loss value of 1.4111, and we got 112th rank out of 1910 participants. Thank you.